The following are the duration times in minutes of all missions flown by a space shuttle. Use the given data to construct a box plot and identify the 5-number summary. So we have a set of data here, and we have to fill in the 5-number summary with those values. So we'll click this little box here, and we will click Copy Table to Clipboard. It says the data has been copied to the clipboard and ready to be pasted in Excel or another spreadsheet application. So we'll click OK, and we will go to our course page here, and we will click statcrunch. And then we'll click Visit the statcrunch website. Open statcrunch, and then we will click Data, Load, From Paste. We'll click into this white box and paste the data. They're just in a column here. We can use really any delimiter we want because it's not two sets of data. I'll just click white space. The first line does not give us a name for the variable. The first line is just a data value, 5. So we will unclick the Use First Line as Variable Names box, and then we'll click Load Data. Now we have the data listed here in this column, Variable 1. So we'll click Stat, Summary Statistics, Columns. We'll click Variable 1 to go into the active box, and then we'll make sure that the 5-number summary shows up here in this box that gives us everything that's going to get output to a table. We need the minimum, the max, Q1, Q3, and the median. They're all there, so we'll click Compute. We find here then the minimum, the maximum, Q1, Q3, and the median. So we'll use those values then and plug them into these boxes here. Now we want to construct a box plot, so we'll go back to our statcrunch table. So we'll click Graph, Box Plot. Make sure we select the variable, variable 1, and then we will click Draw Boxes Horizontally, and then click Compute. Now we get this box plot that is drawn over a number line, as it should be, and we can see the distribution of the data here. We can see that most of the data is bunched up towards the right because this left edge here represents the first quartile, which means that 75% of the data extends from this value up to the maximum. The minimum value is on the far left. Then we have the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the maximum value.